Hey y'all, it's Sherry.
Hey y'all, I'm Sherry.
Ah! You wee booger! Yodelay, yodelay, yodelay. I don't know what this setup is, so... Food time. I don't think anybody would have me down as a pokeball kind of person. I feel like when people think of me, they think of my food, they think of my taste, my delectable taste buds, which have been built on fine dining and cuisine culinary. I actually don't know if that makes grammatical sense. You know, they think of like, I eat pizza, burger, chicken burger, chips, 5-pound chicken burger, proper nice. Sometimes I can branch out and have sweet corn. Gosh, my taste buds are gonna have a shock to the system. They're gonna be like one of my 5 a day. Well, actually for me it's not 5 a day, it's like 5 a year, but you know, same kind of thing. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna eat and do what I do best, which is run my mouth about things that no one actually asked me to run my mouth about. I asked you guys on my Instagram to give me some stuff, and if you haven't already followed me on Instagram, then no offense, you're an actual loser. Loser, double loser, minger, whatever. Get the picture. There is still time to go follow me right now because it's a wonderful time. I basically just eat and talk about things that are going on in the world. But not like political things, like I don't think I'm about to offer a solution to global warming, because I'm not the weather forecast. I talk about celebrities. For I've got forward. Lots of people were wondering, Zayn Malik and Gigi Hadid's baby. I don't think Einstein, I don't think any scientist, like just science in general, the life of pi. Oh my god, I did not just say that. I don't mean the life of pi, the pie. Not like apple pie. You know the guy Pi who like made that 3 point something 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 something. I don't know, I'm not a mathematician. You have to understand, for me, math was possibly the biggest turn off because I have 2 mathematicians for brother. My older brother did 4 A levels, got 4 A stars. My younger brother did 5 A levels, got 5 A stars. And they were all like maths, further maths, physics, all that stuff. So for me, it's just a no-go. Like, why would I even try and compare in that realm? Like, I mean, they chose books, I chose looks. It's a very simple explanation for how we've all turned out like this. Anyway, as I was saying, not even science could form a formula, could put together the molecules of a supermodel and a One Direction member to create the most perfect baby possibly to walk this earth since Jesus Christ himself. Very excited. I love celebrity babies because they're always so rich and they're always dressed so nice. And like their outfit for one day, which they're gonna grow out of in like the next 2 weeks anyway, is probably more than my entire life earnings. And I love it! I can live my life through the rich. Anyway, Megan Thee Stallion opinions. I love Megan Thee Stallion. She never misses. Every single song that she's ever released has been incredible. She's never done a bad song. Someone said Miley Cyrus's new cover. If you have not seen it on TikTok, it's, what is that song? It goes like, it's like, I don't know if an ear orgasm is a thing, but if it was, it would be like listening to that TikTok. It's incredible. Oh my gosh. I've gone back and listened to it multiple times, probably more times than I would actually like to admit on the internet. And I also love this like new Miley Cyrus era we're in right now. I mean, first of all, I love Miley Cyrus, always have, always will. Ever since a freaky licky wicked licky fry on the wall. But I wasn't the biggest fan of her whole like boho, princess, peace, love and harmony, that's all we need. You know when she was like doing like the peaceful songs like Malibu. I missed twerking on stage to a married man Miley Cyrus. Do you know what I mean? But this era she's in now, every single outfit looks incredible, every single performance is great. I'm just waiting for the Hannah Montana reboot now. Someone put the Bake Off. I don't really watch the Bake Off that religiously. Like if I'm in the evening, I might stick it on the TV. Personally for me, as we can clearly see, I only eat through delivered food to my door. I don't have a culinary like cooking bone in my body. I feel like I have the same passion behind the show as those who like to make a little apple tart in the oven every Sunday afternoon. But I think the new series just started and I love the amount of people who took the time out of their day, took the sweet, sweet hours of their day, or more like seconds, but you know, I still appreciate it, to Instagram me, to tweet me, to notify me through, I don't know, an hour, like it's a Hogwarts acceptance letter. In fact, there was a Marie Antoinette cake on Bake Off. 2020 thrown a lot of things at us, but honestly, that has probably made up for everything that's gone on this year. Marie, I love you! I love you, Marie! Marie, I'm your biggest fan! I love you, Marie Antoinette! I love your work! Do you think TikTokers are mainstream celebs? Well, keep seeing this on TikTok being like, Charli D'Amelio is not a celebrity, like who does she think she is, getting paparazzi? She has almost 100 million, not 100, 100 million followers. 100 million people have decided to take their time out of their day to press the follow button on her. Almost 100 million people at least know who she is. How is that not a celebrity? I feel like stuff like Addison Rae is like best friends with the Kardashians, like at that point you're famous, like do you know what I mean? If Jordan Woods is considered famous, if Malika Hacker is considered famous, then technically Addison is too because she's the exact same as them. I'd say those are probably the only 2 like famous ones, like actual ones that you would call celebrities. Molly Maid giveaway. I just hope the girl that won that is hiding in witness protection program or something, because the amount of angry people, oh, like 2 million, or maybe even over 2 million people entered for that Louis Vuitton makeup bag and suitcase and that bottle of fake tan. So she better watch her back and sleep with one eye open, because I'm scared for her safety. I do love though that the girl who won, she's a mother, she's a family, like it's a really wholesome winner. Would I have liked to win? Potentially. In fact, yes, 100%. Would I be complaining if a Louis Vuitton suitcase was being delivered to my door from Molly May? I don't think so. I don't think that's quite my personality. Fine. I'm sure there'll be more. I don't care. Draco Malfoy TikTok, I'm not on it. I don't understand it. Like, I'm not really a Harry Potter person. The only Harry Potter one that I really liked was Goblet of Fire, because it was kind of like a reality TV program to me, because it was like a competition. I haven't watched all the films. I'm sorry to any Potterheads out there. I preferred the Hunger Games. In fact, I used to run a Facebook Hunger Games fan account for the character Haymitch Aberdeen. It was like the most random, bizarre like character on the show. Like, he was some like old guy. Like, why was 11-year-old me making a fan account for some old guy? I mean, it probably explains a lot of how I turned out like this today. Where has Jessie J gone? This is a very good point. And I'm glad that we're bringing this up and discussing this. If the Metropolitan Police are watching, I think you might need to delve into this. She is one of, if not the best singer of our generation. When she went on that Chinese X Factor, I'm sorry. I haven't been touched like that since Shirley Lloyd's Turn My Swag On audition. I haven't been touched like that since Gamu sang Walking on Sunshine in X Factor 2010. Do you know what I mean? She's incredible. Do It Like a Dude was my anthem for a solid 2 years of my life, followed by Price Tag. As we also all know, I had a traumatic experience with her song Flashlight. Yes, I did do a cover to it when I was like 14. Yes, YouTube decided to put it into everyone's recommended 6 years later. Suzanne Wojcicki, I actually don't know your full name, so please don't demonetize this video, Susie. I mean, we've never met, we've never discussed, but I feel like we could be on nickname basis, Susie. Like, I would like an explanation and some compensation. I'm gonna PPI claim, because technically, I'm in my workspace, and you've offended me and affected me, virtually, mentally, and probably physically. Northwest Music's career. Oh my god. That video. What are those? Those are clothes. What are those? Little clothes. That's a moment for the history books, really. That will be being in the 2050 history GCSE textbook. Most people are asking me about the Wave House, why I didn't join the Wave House, which, first of all, is not what I asked. I just didn't. Here's my honest answer. They asked me and I said no.
I was supposed to be in the video.
No, I was.
That's literally it. End of the story. Enola Holmes. I love Millie Bobby Brown, Millie Bobby Brown, Millie Bobby Brown. You know, I feel like I have a spiritual connection to Millie Bobby Brown because I went through a solid like 2 years of my life when I looked like her identical twin. I could have been her stunt double on Stranger Things when she went into the Demogorgon or whatever that thing was called.
It's twin now.
I'm not gonna watch it though, this Enola Holmes thing. It's not a bit of me. If it's set before 2001, I don't want to hear it. Why do I want to watch an olden day film? I'm not living in it. I don't need to relive it. Do I want to relive the Black Plague? Don't think so. I don't think that's on my to-do list to do this week. And it's funny because I'm a media and communication student. I literally studied film at university for 3 years. However, I do not frankly care. If the film is either set or filmed before the 2000s, don't want to hear it, don't want to go near it. I don't care how much of a classic it is. It's not a classic in my book. A classic is Wild Child. A classic is Angus Films and Perfect Snogging. A classic is not some film about like some war revolution. Anyway, Little Mix Research. Oh my god, it's so good! Well, so far when I'm filming this, there's been 2 episodes. Really fun. I feel like it's the light-heartedness that we all need in our lives right now. As always, there's loads of Harry Styles. Ah, I just ate something spicy. Ah, spicy! Ah. People are asking me about him going into acting. I swear he's been acting before. But once again, I didn't watch it because it was like a war film. I don't care. I'm very excited. I like that Florence Pugh lady. I watched Midsummer, which was a terrifying experience. 1 out of 10 would not recommend to a friend on any circumstance. But she was really good in that, so I feel like the film's gonna be great. And also he's in another one with the girl from Mamma Mia, and it's like a LGBTQ+ relationship, which sounds interesting. I'll probably watch that one. I'm all for a little bit of drama, mate, and I'm all for a little bit of Harry Styles screen time, do you know what I mean? Dixie and Noah, I do not keep up enough with them. I follow the TikTok room, and that is about as far as extent as I do keeping up. I don't know what it is about Noah Beck, though. He really makes me giggle. Like, I feel like just the way he is, just, it constantly seems like he's lost and confused and has no idea what's going on. Euphoria, I can't remember if I've spoken about Euphoria in a video before. I thought it was fantastic. I'm very excited for season 2, and I'm very excited for Zendaya's Emmy win. That was delightful. A moment most pleasing to my eye. Great show, if you haven't watched it yet. Why not? Fun to watch, easy to watch, a really good time for all those involved, apart from don't watch it with your parents because there are some NSFW, to say the least, moment. Oh my god, someone was talking about, this is so funny, some person from Casimir on Love Island, I think his name is Biggs, ended up having a whole girlfriend at home, and somehow, some way, I don't know what, they were drinking something special that day. He managed to convince his girlfriend for him to go onto Love Island and for her to support him. It could not be, it could never be me. No! No, never me. I would absolutely... If you even came to me with that question, I would have to be seriously considering calling up Henry VIII and seeing his guillotine method. Is it Henry VIII? I don't know. We've previously discussed in this video. I don't like history. Like, why do we need to study the past? Why don't we just live in the present? Do you know what I mean? Couldn't be me. He's now dating that Rebecca girl who seems to be acting completely crazy on social media recently. And now he's like, I tried to keep up with it. I really did. In all honesty, I just was not interested. I didn't really like Winter Love Island. I've not kept up with like any of them. I don't care really. I feel like as the self-proclaimed unofficial Love Island guru, I really should know more about this topic. But Love Island Winter, we don't claim her. She's not a part of Love Island. Okay, well I think that's me kind of done with this. Thanks for watching. I haven't done one of these in a while, so if you want more of these, let me know. I want to do vlogs, but like there's nothing to vlog at the moment, so start with video ideas. On that topic, if you want to see anything from me, let me know in the comments. I'll see you next time. Bye. I wanna